In order to look good, you must look bad. Recently, I went to a party and one of my friends came up to me and he said, "Ruben, you're a little bit fat." And after that, I felt super insecure for the rest of the party. I was checking the windows, looking at my reflection and looking in the mirror, wondering if I look fat and if I've got a bit of a belly. And yeah, I do. But what I had to learn was you have to pay the cost to look a boss. What does that mean? You have to pay a cost in your looks. You're going to have to look a bit puffy. You're going to get a bit of a belly. You're going to get fucking a little bit fat on your arms and on your arse and your legs. It's life. You have to pay the cost to look a boss. That is what you have to do. You can't just fucking magically wake up and you look sick. You've got to get fat, get puffy. That's how you get muscle. Because it's like sculpting a rock. You wouldn't grab a pebble and try and sculpt a pebble, would you? A little pebble. You wouldn't try and sculpt some cool shit out of that, would you? No, because it's too small. So you get a big fucking rock, and you sculpt that motherfucker into something that looks sick, looks cool. You don't use a fucking little pebble, you throw that motherfucker away and look for a rock. And it's the same with building your body and your physique. You have to build a big physique that you can sculpt. So put on that muscle, put on the fat, and then cut. That's the whole point of cutting and bulking. If you could bulk and look sick, why would people cut? Why would people cut? They wouldn't. So, what the fuck? You stupid. So look shit. Do most people want to look shit? No. Nobody wants to look shit. Everybody wants to look amazing. But there's a reason why there's a certain amount of people that do it. Because a lot of people don't want to look shit. Everybody wants a six-pack. Everybody's saying, how do I get a six-pack fast? Why do you want a six-pack fast? It's the whole point of it. If you could get a six-pack fast, it wouldn't be valuable and people wouldn't want it. It's the same with building your physique. If you can get big and look good fast, then fucking everyone would do it. There's a reason why there's a certain amount of people in this world that actually look good and actually want to look good. Including you. Everybody wants to look good, but does everybody look good? No. That is my point. It's not easy, so don't try and fucking make it easy. Stop trying to rush it. Why do people on a bulk get fat? It's down to many reasons, because they think that they can get it fast. So they diet. They don't really have a diet. Or they just eat as much as they fucking can. They eat McDonald's, chocolate, sweets, and sugary drinks. And that's why they're fat. They might put on a bit of muscle, but they're really fat. I gained 10 kilos. Some of it's going to be fat. Some of it is fat. I've got quite a bit of belly fat. This video doesn't really show you, but I have got belly fat. You can't see my abs. I don't have a jawline. That is just what the fuck happens. It's life. In order to succeed, you first must struggle. You don't deserve it now. Why do people get fat on a bulk? It's because of their diet. They don't diet properly. They probably don't work out properly. They don't optimize their workouts. They don't actually know what the fuck they're doing. They just go in, oh, a bit bench press, I'm going to do 20 kilos, bicep curls, tricep extensions, I'm not feeling leg press today, I'll do it tomorrow. Like, no, make your fucking workout routine and stick to that motherfucker. And if you don't have a diet or a workout routine, guess what? I do, for you, made specifically for you. It's the first thing in the description. If you want to look sick and look not sick, if you want to look fucking incredible, immaculate, then get the course. It's a no-brainer. If you want to look like a fat, lazy slob, fucking loser for the rest of your life, don't buy it. But if you want to look good, and you actually want to take action, you actually want to achieve your goals and look good and attract girls, attract women, command respect, have a presence, be able to scare off any fucking skinny little twat, then get the course. You might be thinking, oh, I bulked, but I look bad. Or you've been bulking for a week. A lot of people do this. A lot of people bulk for a week. Oh, I look fat, I look bad, I look puffy. Are you for real? Fucking hell. If you can't survive looking a little bit puffy after a week of bulking, then fuck me. It's not, you just don't deserve to have it. I've looked like kind of shit. I've looked all right for the last 3 months. I've still gotten girls. I've actually gotten more girls because I'm bigger. That's my point. Like, oh, I look bad. So fucking what? You're gonna look good. That's the whole point. You can't look good without looking bad. Fuck me. These people are just so fucking stupid. So fucking retarded. So stupid. You have to think next summer. So it pisses me off. Think next summer. Oh, I look bad. Shut the fuck up. Oh, I look bad. Oh, what are you gonna do? Fucking cry? Pussy. Man up. You're a fucking man. If you have a penis, you're a guy. You might be like, well, no shit. Well, yes, no shit. So stop being a pussy. Okay, you look shit. Boo fucking who? It's fat, obese people around. You're not obese, are you? If you are, then okay, maybe fair enough. It's people that have people look mangled, and you're worried about looking a bit puffy. Fuck off. Think next summer. Think next year. Men who think in decades are dangerous. If you're thinking next year, or next 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, whatever. If you're thinking next year, okay, I'm going to bulk and I'm going to look a bit shit, I'm going to get a bit puffy, but I'm going to put on a lot of fucking muscle. And I'm going to then cut, get a six-pack, I'm going to train abs, I'm going to get a six-pack then. Because I've trained abs for the last year, I've already got a six-pack, just need to cut. Boom, 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 and you look sick, and you're getting all the chicks, and you feel good, and you're on top of the world. But what you need to realize is you have to cross the chasm. Crossing the chasm. Essentially, there's two sides, okay? There's the side you're at, which is the loser, fucking skinny necked, skinny fat twat. And then you've got the sick cunt, the sick motherfucker who looks sick, gets all the babes, six-pack, crazy muscles, incredible. These are the two sides. There's a dip from the loser that you are to the winner. And in that time, you're going to have to go through shit. The chasm is a bit in between. You have to go through shit. It's like a cliff. You think of like a valley. There's two sides. That bit in the middle is the chasm. And you have to cross that chasm, metaphorically. So that chasm is shit. You're going to look fat. Your girls are not going to really be that interested. I'm finding that now that there are beautiful girls that I have been able to attract in the past. They won't even give me a second look. They won't even give me a second look. Doesn't see me in. I'll be looking. They're looking away. That's what happens. I don't look good. I look alright. I'm fucking massive tank, but not very lean, in a tight muscle fit polo, I've got a bit of belly fat. That is just what happens. I'm not going to get the fit girls. It doesn't really fucking matter. At the moment, I'm still getting alright girls. Not sixes, I don't know. 7s and 8s, but I'm not getting the 9s and 10s. I won't be for a while until I look sick and my life is at a level where I can get these women. That is the point. I'm in the chasm. I am the chasm. I'm not the extremist chasm, okay? I've been a fat bastard in my life. I've been a skinny twat as well. I'm in between. I'm a little bit puffy, but I look sick still. You might be really fat. You might not put on much fat at all. You might look really sick. Everyone's different, but I am in the chasm. I am the example of the chasm. I am preaching to you to join me. If you want to really achieve your goals and look good, join me. It's not that bad. Get the fucking course if you really want to end up looking like me. This is as bad as I'm going to get. I'm going to get a little bit more fat, bit of gyno maybe, and that's it. But fucking who? So, join me. Join me and cross the chasm. If you're skinny fat and you want to bulk or you want to cut, you don't know what the fuck you're doing, check out this video right here where I explain the skinny fat trap and have a good day. Mwah.